a common goal. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill.
All right, I received this in the mail. Check this out. Roku, a 65-watt charger. And I'll tell you what this is cool. What's cool about this here. Let me show you this here. Okay, open this up. Now, you should like this here. This has got some weight to it. Compact. How many times, you've got, how many plugs do you got? You know, plugs galore. You got plugs there, you got a plug there, you got a plug there, you got a plug there. Individual plugs. So there's a 65-watt plug. You can plug in that. I can charge this. There, I can charge my iPhone. Oh, even better, look at this here. Let me pull this one out. Let me put this one here in here. This here, see, I can put this there. I can put this here. I can charge my iPhone and my watch at the same time. One plug. That's 65 watts of power right there. Let me plug this bad boy in. Okay, I've got my watch and phone both charging now at the same time. That's pretty cool. I like it. And of course, you can look over all of the instructions there. Tells you all about it. You can do 3 things at the same time. Charge 3 of them all at the same time. Now that is pretty cool. You can see I'm only using 2 of them, so I could still do something else if I wanted to. Well, I got a GoPro camera I could plug in there. Let me go ahead and plug this in there. Okay. Okay, now I've got the GoPro charging too, so I got 3 things charging all at the same time here. That replaces the phone plug, the watch plug, and there's my GoPro plug. So that replaces 3 plugs in 1 outlet. So I'll let those go ahead and charge on up, and then I got something else that's pretty cool I'm going to show you too. We'll save that for a little bit later there. But anyways, so those are charging right up. It's pretty cool. I'll leave you a link down below if you want to go. They're not that expensive either. I'm surprised. But I'll leave you a link down below. You can go check them out if you want to. But anyways, thank you, Roku. Appreciate it. 65-watt charger.
Truck, it's time to roll with hearts so wild and a common goal. Chasing the goal, we're ready for the thrill. Through mountains and rivers, we'll climb every hill.